Hey from Nanny K. Today I bought my very first Lego set. Super excited. I bought the Disney Up house. My goal is to collect Disney, some architectural ones of places where I've visited, and also the botanical range. So I'll start with this one, see if I like it. I've got the telly ready to watch Up while I build it. So let's go. Open her up. Starting with number one. This is so exciting, I'm not going to lie. About to press play on Up and off we go. Oh, let's open it first. Go, number one. My first ever Lego Man, Russell. Come on, a little wee cup and a little wee fork. Is that not the cutest thing ever? First sticker on. I've got my tweezers. I make book nooks as well, so I've got these tweezers for that. Look at little gramophone. I've got the real one. That's my one. Ta-da! I have finished bag one. Bag two. Paradise Falls. Put the little lid on. Oh, too cute. Coming up nicely. Number three. Little book. Once upon a time. Adorable. Lucky last bag. Number four. And there we go. I have finished. How good is that? I'm so happy with that. Well, I can officially say that was a lot of fun to build. Very relaxing, rewarding, and certainly will be doing it again. Thanks for watching. Uru, and see you next time.